First thing I'm going to do is create your course EM350 by clicking on Add a New Course. After I have turned editing on in the course categories area for Educational Ministries, add a new course. Course name EM space 350 because that's how it is in the catalog. And what was it called? Administration and Leadership. It requires anything red is required. EM 350 for fall 2012. By default, the start date is the date you're creating it, so I set that to be the current year start date, so that was August 27th. If it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, which I'm guessing, you can always change that. We're going by topics format. You could go by weeks format, but I'm assuming you want topics format. Just to avoid confusion with number of topics, I'm just going to put it at 3 topics, so there'll be 3 sections. And saving changes. We'll also, by default, it is available. And enrollment, we'll talk about enrollment somewhere. I guess we have to create it first. Okay, save the changes. Now this creates the new course. Now I'm going to enroll a user, which will be the teacher. Spelled it wrong. There we go. But for clicking enroll, I make sure I enroll you as a teacher. And now you are enrolled as the teacher. I'm done enrolling users for now. Now I'm going to go back up to the main course by going to the breadcrumb link right there. Normally when you come to this course, editing is turned off and it'll appear like this. This is how it normally would probably appear to the student. First thing to do if you want to change something, turn editing on. And we're going to add a resource. I'm going to call it a folder. This is where you can upload files. I'm going to call it standard name course related files. You can always come back and edit the description. I'm not adding any files right now. This is how you would actually add files. So I'm going to save and display. So when you come to the course, you will see the course related files. There's nothing here, but if I come to the main course page, you'll see a little folder in that top section because that's where I added the resource. Now, for you to edit or add files, you can come down here, click on the little hand when you're in turn editing on. You can change the description and you can add files. It does have a max file size of 50 megabytes. I believe we can change that option if you need something larger. So there you have it. For you to add files, just go into, I'll go back out of here, go back to the main course, turn editing on, so I'll turn it off. So when you come to the course, it'll look like this. First thing you need to do is turn editing on. Then you can edit the course-related files if you want to add files to this nice little folder of course-related files. And that is it.